Netflix is missing from your smart TV, refusing to install, not opening, or saying your device is no longer supported. Before you assume you need a new TV, there are several simple fixes to try. In this video, I'll show you how to install Netflix, fix the most common problems, and explain what to do if your TV is too old to support the app. You only need your remote, an internet connection, and access to the TV settings. First, check whether Netflix is already installed. Press the home button and look through the main menu, App Row, or Featured Apps. Many smart TVs already include Netflix, and some remotes have a dedicated Netflix button. If the app opens, select Sign In and enter your account details. If Netflix is not visible, open your TV's App Store. Search for Netflix, select the official app, and choose Install, Download, Add, or Get. Wait for the installation to finish, then open Netflix and sign in. If Netflix does not appear in search, do not immediately assume the TV is unsupported. Start by checking the internet connection. Open another app or the App Store and confirm that content loads. If it does not, reconnect the TV to Wi-Fi and try again. Next, restart the TV properly. Turn it off, unplug it from the wall, wait around 15 to 30 seconds, plug it back in, and turn it on again. If Netflix is still missing, check for a software or firmware update. Open Settings, go to Support, System, About, or Software Update, and install any available update. Restart the TV afterward and search again. Also check the TV's country or region setting. If it is incorrect, some apps may not appear. If Netflix is installed but will not open, freezes, or stays stuck on the loading screen, begin with the same full restart. Then restart your router by unplugging it for around 30 seconds. Plug it back in, wait until the internet fully reconnects, and try Netflix again. If the app continues to crash, sign out and sign back in. Open Netflix, go to Get Help or Settings, choose Sign Out, and then log in again. If Netflix still will not update or launch, open the TV's Installed Apps section and look for Update, Reinstall, Clear Cache, Clear Data, or Reset App. Try Update first. If that fails, reinstall the app or clear its cache. Resetting the app may sign you out. If your TV allows Netflix to be deleted, uninstall it. Restart the TV, return to the App Store, and install it again. Also check the available storage. A full TV can block installations and updates, so remove unused apps and try again. If Netflix shows a message about your Netflix household, this is not an installation problem. It means Netflix cannot confirm that the TV belongs to the account's main household. Choose the option shown on the screen, such as Update Netflix Household, Confirm this TV, I'm traveling, or Watch temporarily, and follow the instructions. You may need to scan a QR code or enter a verification code. If your TV says Netflix is no longer available or supported, its smart operating system may be too old. Check for one final software update, but understand that an update cannot always restore support once Netflix drops that model. Do not download Netflix from unofficial websites or USB files. Smart TV apps should be installed only through the official store. The practical solution is to use a Roku, Amazon Fire TV Stick, Apple TV, Chromecast with Google TV, or another certified streaming device. Plug it into an HDMI port, connect it to Wi-Fi, install Netflix, and sign in. It runs Netflix independently of the TV's outdated smart system. If the entire App Store is broken or several apps are missing, repeat the basic checks. Confirm the internet connection, restart the TV and router, install the latest software, verify the date and time, and check the region. As a last resort, reset the smart hub or factory reset the TV, but only after trying everything else. A reset may remove Wi-Fi details, apps, saved accounts, and picture settings. If Netflix is still unavailable after checking the internet, software, storage, and region, the TV is most likely incompatible. In that case, a streaming stick is usually much cheaper than replacing a working television. That is how to install Netflix, fix common problems, and determine when a streaming device is needed. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let me know your TV brand and which method worked in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.